This one is from function. Okay, we are given that if f of x is equal to 7x minus 2 and g of x is equal to negative 4x plus 3. So we are told to find f g of x, f g inverse of x, then gf of x. So this one here is a composite function. So when we are solving composite function, we first deal with the rightmost one. So here this one is our rightmost one, g of x, and g of x is what? Minus 4x plus 3. So this rightmost one is going to be the input in the next function, in the previous function. Okay, so this is going to be the input in the function f. So g of x is what? Minus 4x plus 3. So in this case here, our function f is what? 7x minus 2, 7x. Instead of writing x, you put now the input. That's the function g of x. So which is what? Minus 4x plus 3. Right? Then minus what? Minus 2. So in this case, 7 multiplied by minus 4x, that is minus 28x, okay? Plus what? Plus 21, okay? Minus 2. So in this case, we have minus 28x plus what? Plus 19. You may also write it as what? As 19 minus 28. There's no problem with that. Fg of x is equal to what? Minus 28x plus 19. And now we have solved that. Let's see the next one, Fg inverse of x. So this one is involving inverse functions. So what do we do here? We have to first find g inverse of x. So g is the rightmost one. G inverse is the rightmost one. So this is going to be the input in the function f. But we have to get the inverse. This one is not the inverse, but it's just g of x. So how do we get the inverse? To get the inverse, let g inverse of x be equal to something. You may say, let it be equal to y. Okay, so here we are going to have y equal to what? Minus 4x plus 3. Okay, so we want to get the value of x here. So how do we get the value of x? Bring this one here and take this one here. So we are going to have positive 4x is equal to 3 minus what? Minus y out of what? Both sides by 4, both sides by 4. 4 and 4 will go. And here we have our x as what? 3 minus y out of what? Out of 4. Now what we are going to do here, we assume g inverse of x to be equal to y before. We are going to replace this y with x. And now we are going to have 3 minus x out of 4. So our g inverse of x is equal to what? Is equal to 3 minus x out of 4. Now this is our inverse function. This g inverse of x is going to be the input where? In the function f. So now, and function f is what? 7x minus 2. So this is going to be the input in place of x. Okay, 7x minus what? 2 is what? Is our f of x. And remember, this one is the rightmost one, g inverse of x. So this is going to be the input here. So in this case, we are going to have what? We are going to have 7. Instead of writing x, you just put this one. So 3 minus x, okay, out of what? Out of 4, right? So minus 2, all right? So in this case, we are going to have 7 multiplied by 3, that is 21, minus what? 7 multiplied by x, that's 7x, out of what? Out of 4. So this is minus 2. Now let's find the LCM out of 1 here. Our LCM here is what? Is 4. 4 divided by 4. 1 multiplied by the whole of this, we have 21 minus what? Minus 7x. Okay, 4 divided by 1, that is what? That is 4 multiplied by 2, that's 8. So minus 8 here. Okay, so in this case we are going to have what? 21 minus 8, that is what? That is 13. So 13 minus 7x out of what? Out of 4. And this is our final answer. And that's how simple it is, guys. Now for the last case, you guys will try this one and give me your answer in the comment section. Gf of x. So I hope you have understood the concept here. I hope you will be able to solve this one. So thank you for watching, guys. I will see you in my next video, and bye bye for now. Thank you.